Is your refrigerator space currently looking like this, disorganized with stuff toppling off, always needing to move something in order to use your microwave? It sounds like it's time for you to get the Dormco Double Cooking Caddy. The Dormco Double Cooking Caddy is meant to lie across your refrigerator. So the first thing I'm going to do is take everything off, including the microwave. Across the back of the Double Cooking Caddy is a piece of Velcro. If you remove it, you will have the soft side on the back of the cooking caddy and the scratchy side that I just ripped off. The scratchy side of the Velcro has a sticker on the back, so you're going to remove this and put this on the middle of your refrigerator. I'm placing this scratchy side of the Velcro in the middle of the refrigerator. This can easily come up without damaging your refrigerator. And then I'm just going ahead and placing the soft side of the cooking caddy right over top. This just ensures that your cooking caddy is not going to fall off. If you were to have a heavier object in one of the sides, it's not going to slide off, and that's what's so convenient about having the Velcro. The microwave is just sitting right on top of the cooking caddy, as you can tell. On one side, we have 3 smaller pockets on top and 1 pocket underneath. And on the other side, we have 8 pockets that are a variety of sizes, so that way you can really maximize your storage. I'm gonna go ahead and fill these up. I'm gonna go ahead and put our plastic disposable utensils in one of these, and then we also keep little straws that are just disposable as well. And I'm gonna go ahead and put those in one of these. We use straws so much in college, and then I have reusable, like regular silverware, and I'm just gonna go ahead and put all of that in the right-hand pocket. You could obviously separate the silverware across the 3 pockets if you preferred, but just because in college we use reusable and non-reusable, this is what works best for us. We do have reusable plates as well, but of course, because we are lazy college students, we also use our fair share of paper plates, so paper plates fit perfect in that little pocket as well. We also have room in this little bigger pocket to put napkins. We use napkins like crazy here, and we're constantly going through them. This is a really easy, convenient place to put them. It's super convenient having our dishes and our utensils right next to the microwave, just because we heat up a lot of things like ramen, mac and cheese, popcorn and stuff. So it's super nice just having it right there. That way we can pop whatever we need out of the microwave and put it right into a dish. The pockets on this side vary quite a bit. In the middle pocket, we keep our salt because we just have like a really large salt here. It fits perfect right in there. Little ketchup packets that we get when we go to restaurants and stuff, we just keep so that way we can fit them in this cooking caddy as well for when we bring food home or get takeout. Every mom sends their kid to school with chip clips, obviously, and they fit perfect in this. Basically, this double cooking caddy gives everything that doesn't have a home already a place to stay. A lot of college kids find themselves needing a can opener. This is also where we keep our can opener. In the left-hand pockets, we're keeping tea, and then in the right ones, we're keeping little K-cups. As you can see, the Dormco Double Cooking Caddy has just completely transformed our space. This durable caddy has provided so much organization throughout our dorm room. It makes it super easy to stay organized while in college. The Dormco Double Cooking Caddy is a college essential.